Have you ever found yourself standing in awe of a majestic landscape only to realize that your camera fails to do it justice? Don't fret. It's okay. I'm here. Today, I am going to tell you a blueprint on how to transform your footage from "it sucks" to "whoa" in order to elevate your travel video game. Let's do it right now. Alright, so picture this, okay? You've arrived at your destination, bursting with all that energy and excitement. But without a plan, you're left scrambling to capture fleeting moments. By scouting locations beforehand using Google Maps and Google Images, you'll have a roadmap to cinematic glory, ensuring no shot goes unmissed. It's not just about finding those most picturesque spots. It's about understanding the layout of the lighting, the potential for storytelling. Pinpoint those hidden gems, those overlooked corners that hold promise of a visual splendor. Whether it's a secluded highway or a panoramic vista, each location adds a layer of depth to your narrative. Okay, so you have your shot list. You're armed with it. You'll enter each location with purpose and clarity, maximizing your time and creativity. So before you embark on your journey, ask yourself, have I scouted for locations? Because in the world of travel videography, preparation is the key to unlocking that cinematic brilliance. It's really easy to get caught up in the rush of sightseeing, but the true magic lies in embracing the vibe of your surroundings. Before pressing that record button, take a moment to soak in the essence of your location. Feel its pulse. Let it guide your lens with an authenticity that transcends mere visuals. Try closing your eyes and listen to the surroundings. Listen to the rhythm of the streets, the melody of conversation, the whispers of history echoing through the cobblestone alley. Let each inhale infuse you with the spirit of the place, igniting a creative flame from within. When you feel the vibe, your footage becomes more than just an image. It becomes a reflection of the soul of the destination. So don't rush. Take your time, embrace the moment, and let the heartbeat of the location guide your lens. Remember, in the realm of travel videography, it's not just about what you see. It's about what you feel as well. So before you hit that record button, ask yourself, have I truly felt the vibe of this place? Because when you do, your footage will resonate authenticity and emotion. Break free from the confines of traditional framing and unleash the power of perspective. Experiment with different angles, low, high, touch, okay? To breathe life into your shots. Each angle offers a unique storytelling dimension, elevating your footage from ordinary to extraordinary. Imagine your scene as a blank canvas waiting to be painted with light and shadow. A low angle adds depth and drama, drawing the viewer into the heart of the action. Conversely, a high angle offers a bird's eye view, providing a sense of scale and context to your narrative. Of course, let's not forget the Dutch angle, a subtle tilt that injects in a sense of unease or tension in your frame. Experiment with these angles, play with perspectives, and watch your footage transform into a visual symphony of storytelling. Perspective is power. Embrace it, wield it, and watch your footage come alive with cinematic magic. Now, the beauty of travel lies in the juxtaposition of scale, from the minute intricacies to the vast expanses. Explore the art of micro and macro shots to add depth and texture to your footage. Zoom in to reveal hidden gems, and then pan out to showcase the grandeur of your surroundings. Every detail tells a story. Zoom in on the delicate petals of a flower, for instance, the intricate patterns of a cobblestone street, or even the vibrant hues of a local dish. These micro shots add a layer of intimacy, inviting your viewers to immerse themselves in the sensory experience of the destination. But don't just stop there. Pan out to reveal the sweeping vistas, the majestic mountains, and the endless horizons that define your surroundings. These macro shots provide context and scale, offering a breathtaking glimpse into the vastness of the world around you. It's the interplay between these scales that adds depth and richness to your narrative. So embrace the beauty of both and watch as your footage comes alive with cinematic allure. We often overlook the beauty in life's simple moments, yet they bring power to captivate like no other. Embrace the mundane, the meticulous preparation of a local vendor, a child's carefree laughter. Because within these things lies the soul of your narrative, waiting to be immortalized on film. It's easy to get swept away by the grandeur of iconic landmarks, but true storytelling thrives in the everyday moment, the gentle hum of everyday life, the unscripted interactions. These are the threads that weave the tapestry of authenticity in your footage. So, take a moment to observe the world around you with fresh eyes. Notice the subtle nuances, the fleeting gestures that speaks volumes about the culture and people. By capturing the mundane, you breathe life into your narrative, inviting viewers to experience the destination through a more intimate lens. So don't overlook the seemingly ordinary scenes. Embrace them, cherish them, for within lies the heart and soul of your travel story. It is often the simplest moments that leaves the deepest impression. Now, if you are looking on how to capture the mundane, just check out these videos right here and get ready to embark on your next film. So don't forget to subscribe, like, so that we can all learn, create, and share. Now, peace out.